In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive drop-down menu for your design projects. This process is going to be incredibly useful whether you're working on a website or an app interface. So, let's dive in and walk through it step by step, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow. First, start with your artboard and build the menu bar or the element that will trigger the drop-down. This could be something like a navigation item labeled Services, or whichever title fits your design. Place it where you think it'll best serve your users, usually somewhere intuitive, like at the top of the screen. Next, design the drop-down list that appears when the trigger is activated. This is essentially a container that will house several items, for instance, consulting, support, and training. You can get creative with the design of this list, but the key here is to keep it neat and organized. At this stage, ensure the list is set to be hidden or adjust its visibility settings so that it doesn't appear by default. The aim is for the drop-down to be a surprise element, visible only when you want it to be. After you've set up your trigger and drop-down list, it's time to tie them together. Select both the trigger element and the drop-down list. You'll want to convert them into a component by right-clicking and selecting Make Component. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+K if you're on a PC or CMD+K if you're on a Mac. By doing this, the trigger and the drop-down list are now fused together into a main component. This is a powerful feature that really brings your design to life. With your new component selected, head over to the Property Inspector. Look for the State section. You'll see a plus sign next to Default State. Click on this, and you'll have two options to proceed with. First, you can create a new state and name it something intuitive like Open or Expanded. This option allows you to edit the design so the drop-down list becomes visible when this state is active. You might even animate its appearance for a bit of flair. Alternatively, you could opt for an overlay transition in prototype mode. This option allows you to set up the drop-down list to display as an overlay when the trigger is clicked. This can be especially effective for a sleek, modern user experience. Once you've set your preferred option, go ahead and edit the open state. Ensure the list becomes visible. It might also be a good idea to change an icon, perhaps an arrow that points upward to indicate the list is expanded. Finally, tweak the spacing and the background to ensure everything looks cohesive and polished. And there you have it. A fully functional drop-down menu ready to enhance your design. With these techniques, you'll be adding an extra layer of interactivity that not only looks good, but also boosts usability. Thanks for watching, and get ready to make your designs pop.